This is crypto!
What up, Crypto Warriors? Soldier Crypto back at it again. Today is Sunday the 6th of June 2021. Over the past 24 hours, everything is pretty much in the red. In the top 10 coins, in the red. But we are up for the week, folks. We are up for the week despite all the FUD and all the Twitter rantings of a certain billionaire. But we are still up for the week. Hey, if you like the kind of videos I bring you guys every single day, please smash that like, hit that subscribe button, and notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. You know, just support the channel, man. That's the only thing you could do is just smashing the like button. It's free. All right, let's get into it. This is coming from DeFi Times. Polkastarter will integrate Polygon. Polkastarter announced on Wednesday to integrate Polygon. Polkastarter is a protocol that enables projects to raise capital in a decentralized and interoperable environment. Polkastarter had a lot of great projects that basically 10x, 100x, all stemming from like last year. And, you know, they're all part of the Polkadot ecosystem, but they're raising money as projects typically do in the Ethereum ecosystem, you know, typically in a decentralized way, right? You could get in on the IDO, the initial DEX offering, and be able to get in on the IDO and get these tokens at a extremely bargain price, all right? Really cheap price. So sometimes under 5 cents per coin and so on and so forth, if you're able to get in really early. And when they launch, these coins are launching 10x, you know, 20x, 100x, so on and so forth. All right, so Polygon, on the other hand, connects different scaling solutions in the Ethereum ecosystem. So its mission is to become Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains. Soon, Polkadot's Polkastarter IDOs will be Polygon compatible. This means lower costs for projects to distribute tokens. That's a big plus. Lower cost for users purchasing these tokens, higher throughput. I mean, it's just basically the cost of the gas fees. You know, it's what's bringing people and projects, I should say, bringing projects over to Polygon. And I definitely think this is a great great news, especially for people that's able to get into these IDOs. We in the US cannot, of course. And, you know, these are some of the projects that they have here on Polkastarter, and the amount of money that they raise and things of that nature. But here it is, you know, just wanted to show you guys that a lot of these projects, you know, look at this one, only, you know, raised 25 ETH. Like, that's really small. So, you know, you're able to get your project. Oh, Super Farms, look at this one. Super Farms did really well. All right, that's LEO Trades project. All right, so again, IDOs, Polkadot, I keep saying Polkadot, on Polkastarter coming to Polygon, and this is the Polkastarter right here, and this is the price action of it right here. I mean, everything is down right now anyway, you know, especially over the past 30 days. So, you know, you might be able to pick some of these up. It is definitely a good project, not financial advice. Something for you guys to research about, and, you know, take a look at it. You could definitely get this on Binance and Hotbit, even though I'm having beef for Hotbit because they keep shutting down. But did I get some on Hotbit, or did I get it on Binance? I probably picked it up on Binance. Yeah, I probably picked it up on Binance because I don't even see it here for Hotbit. I think Hotbit is still down. Maybe that's why. Anyway, next, and, you know, speaking of Polygon, right, the Matic network, I've went over this article already, but, you know, it just goes to show that it's one of these projects that will still do well if we are going to be going into a bear market. All right, you're able to stake it, and guess what? You can stake it on Celsius. except for here in New York, of course. But you can stake it on Celsius, and I think that the percentage is 15%, which is basically the same amount on the Matic network itself. So you don't have to pay the ridiculous gas fees to stake it with Matic in a decentralized way. You can stake it with Celsius and still earn that 15%, right? So, this article again just talks about the 3 reasons why: growing sentiment and hype around Polygon, definitely, and talking about the internet. What was the quote? Coming the Ethereum's internet of blockchain. They're doing that by partnering with Google's Big Query, and I didn't take a too deep a dive into this, but this will make it even more like an internet of Ethereum's blockchain, right? Because of this partnership right here with Google's Big Query. Next, this is coming from finbold.com. I don't know, but Cardano, all right, Cardano ADA total staking addresses surpasses 600,000 milestone. That is huge. Cardano has recorded another milestone with the crypto's total staking wallets hitting 608,391 from 2,561 active tools. I think it should be pools, but it says active tools. According to data provided by Poll Tool, a Cardano data aggregating tool, ADA's total stake value is basically $43 billion, accounting for 71%, over 71% of the $60 billion supply. Insane. It is the most staked crypto out there. And because it is the most staked and with over 600,000 addresses, the most decentralized, right? The milestone follows increased exposure of Cardano's staking by various platforms. For instance, iMining, a Canadian publicly traded company, recently included Cardano to its list of supported assets for its staking services. I didn't even know it. Like, this is the first time I'm reading about this, and finding out about a publicly traded company that specializes in staking and trying to get their institutional investors exposure to Cardano. That is big news, man. That is so huge. All right. Recently included Cardano to its list of supported assets for its staking services. So they offer staking services to their clients and their publicly traded company. Big. This is huge. All right. But, and then also Kraken also started staking wallet for their users as well. Again, just having, during a bear market, man, this is the time right now when you should try to get as much yield as possible on your favorite projects, all right? Or get as much yield as possible on some stable coins. Not financial advice, but you got to take advantage of these opportunities while they're there and while the yield is good. Cardano, for instance, offers anywhere from, I think, 4.25% to high 5% return in kind on Cardano. So that means if you stake in Cardano, you're going to be getting Cardano. You can also stake Polkastarter. All right, you can stake this as well. Definitely on Hotbit, but I would try to stay away from Hotbit right now because of the whole situation of them shutting down so much and that hack that happened all the day. But check out Qcoin and Binance, of course. You could definitely stake it there. All right, and you can stake Matic. All right, you can stake that on Celsius and get about 15%. All right, and I'm going to pull it up and have the graphic up here as well with Celsius and their staking that's available. All right, next, so next we have the Bitcoin 2021 down in Miami. Anybody that's down there, leave a comment in the comment section if you enjoyed yourself. But it was a big conference. Last year, obviously couldn't happen for obvious reasons, and everyone was just ready to just get out there and mingle and things of that nature. A lot of great ideas were proposed, and even though everything is looking bearish right now, think long term. All right, please watch some of those videos. A lot of gems were dropped. I'm going to cover a couple of them right now. Again, it's coming from Bitcoin Magazine. And here it is. If we don't protect private wallets, someone is going to try to ban them. I wish people were as adamant about protecting the right to privacy as they were about the Second Amendment, the right to bear arms, warned Representative Davidson. This is a congressman talking about the fact that we, meaning the government, right, have to protect people's right to have self-custody wallets, all right? The right to have a wallet on your phone, all right? The right to have a hardware wallet and protects your wealth, because we're going to see them try to attack crypto and Bitcoin from different vectors. And one of the vectors they could try to attack and say is, okay, well, no more self-custodying wallets, all right? Maybe people that already have them could have it, but then you only could paper trade Bitcoin on exchanges or something like that. You can't take it off the exchange. All right, so that's one of the attack vectors. So he's saying, hey, we need protection for, laws to protect these self-custody wallets, these private wallets. All right, and then we have Senator Loomis. She's from Wyoming. Spoke of the potential of a potential Bitcoin-backed reserve currency. This is a senator talking about the fact that Bitcoin should be the reserve currency of the U.S. It's important to have Bitcoin underpinning the U.S. dollar as a store of value the way gold used to be. This is what's being broadcast out there to the world, and this is what's coming from the mouth of a senator. This is big news. I mean, obviously she's a Bitcoiner, but still, the fact that she's saying this and just putting it out there, she may come up with a bill that lead to this, and we have to support her. We have to call our representatives, call our senators, and let them know that we support Senator Loomis's ideas of having the dollar backed by Bitcoin, having the dollar backed by the most sound money in the world. Let me know what you guys think. Smash up the like, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. And this right here was the biggest ideas, the most important statement that came out of that conference, if you ask me. Again, it's Sergeant Crypto. Smash up the likes, and I'm out. Peace.